Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. James here, as ever, for today's ACCA Taxation F6 video, where we're going to walk and talk through some top student tips from Timur, also known by his nickname as Tammy, where he has passed the taxation examination. So make sure you got your pen and paper at the ready. He is an actual viewer of the channel and watch the videos to help him pass. So he's come on today to share his experiences. So Tammy, feel free to introduce yourself, my friend.
Thank you for having me here. And my experience is, you can ask me any question like regarding experience. Like, it would be very helpful for me to experience much better, give me my experience very much better. So,
Yes.
you can ask
Oh,
me.
okay. So let's get started as to
Uh,
if you had to do the taxation exam again, Tammy, how would you approach it? What would you maybe do differently?
Actually, I would do practice more, and rather than going for detailed knowledge, because recently when I was giving my taxation exam, I did practice less and have read more from Captain Kate. So I found section A very hard because there's much theory, much rules, so much like like you can remember all the type of rules. It's like I find very hard for that to remember all the rules. So I did very good in section C and section B, but section B is like you know fifty
Well,
fifty.
oh yes. Well, for students to take notes from this video, section A can test
Hey,
absolutely
some
anything.
students
It's
some students find section B very hard and some students find very C very hard. But I'm good at interpreting things, very good at interpreting things. So I also got luck in SC exam because I got two questions in section C, income test and corporation test, 2020 months, nothing else, and
mm,
no much theory in section C. So I found very easy on that. And section B is like, okay, and section A is little bit, you can say tricky. Section is very much tricky. All
yeah.
the theory.
Yes. Well, section C, again, for the students' notes who are watching this, the ACCA has to test you on income tax and
Uh,
corporation tax on there. So you have to do past papers and CB practice. I mean, how much question practice did you do on those, Tammy?
I did all questions from Captain Kill. I did mock two times and I gave mock, I do mock one time from CB ACCA practice platform.
Yes. So,
Like,
yes.
like I have to do, I can do more, but there's so much less time left. So
Yeah.
I
So
passed.
exactly. You passed, all the hard work was worth it, but the more
Yeah,
question practice you do, the
I can
better
do it.
on
Yeah,
there. Exactly. And how did you get on with time management in the examination, or maybe
I
the
did
different?
good. I did good. Like, time management, I did section A on time, section B on time, section C on time. But time management is not my problem. So some students might find it difficulty finishing this paper, but that's good. Time management is good for me.
Oh,
I
okay.
can do it.
So if time management wasn't your problem for the tax exam, what was what was the problem so you could help out future ACCA students to improve going forward?
My problem, mm, remembering all the rules. There's so much rules. I can't remember. Like losses rules, IST rules. You know, I don't.
So
It's
what advice would you give to a student who is struggling to remember all the rules?
my advice. After finishing your exam, give yourself 2 to 3 days and that's it. Start your exercise. Don't give yourself much more time. Like I start my preparation like 1 week after my exam was finished. So, yeah, I can do. Right. much more in that week, which I give myself a break. 2 3 days that was okay for yourself to have a break.
Mm.
And,
Otherwise, it can take over your mind
yeah,
and your life on there.
you can do start your next subject. Yeah, yeah. Too much
And
breaks
mhm.
so hard. Too much break is so hard for me. After I gave myself a 1 week break, I couldn't be able to focus on next subject. So recently, I'm that environment, like I have to study, study, study. Like after that, I have my break. Like I go to vacation. Coming from vacation, coming back from vacation, I couldn't be able to focus. Like can some can find very good, like coming from vacation they can do studying. Like I could not be able to focus after coming back from vacations.
Right. And did you do your tax exam by itself or with another paper?
And by itself, like I couldn't be able to focus with other subjects. Like yeah, when I
Just
give
one. Yeah.
the
Lots of students will want to know that because they sometimes say to me, James, what exam can I do with the tax exam? Should I do financial reporting? Should I do audit? But doing one exam helps you to focus in and to pass it, especially as English isn't your first language as well.
yeah. Actually, my plan was to give with F5, but after I find that there is so much detailed knowledge in FE that I drop it. Like I drop like F5 one the time, one F6 one the time.
Good, good. And in terms of a student who may be watching this, if English isn't their first language doing the tax exam, what advice do you have for a student that may be struggling in that sense?
Practice more. With practice, you can improve your interpretation, your English. Because when I first did my first skill level exam, I also had that difficulty. Like I couldn't be able to interpret because my English is not that good whenever I was writing. But with passage of time, you will improve.
And you mentioned there as well another key note to get down. It's the taxation exam is not just calculate, calculate, calculate. It's calculate and interpret
Yeah,
as well.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Lots of students think they can just pass the tax exam by doing calculations. But if you had any wise words as to how you would approach it differently, how would you maybe change your approach? Maybe more question practice you've mentioned. Did you read any of the technical articles?
Actually, James, I'm not good at calculations, so that's it's also a disadvantage. Passing at near the border. So yeah, I also read articles from ACCA website. They are very much helpful, very much detailed, and yeah, if it's up to you. If you find a study test, you can go for study there. They will, technical articles just feel that it's for you to revise. You don't have to go to all the study tests. You can go through own notes, but yeah, if
Nice.
you uh, if you like from 1 to day before exam, you can go for technical articles.
Cool. And what I'll do for students who are watching in, I'll put the link to those articles in the description, so nice and easy to find. And did you have a study buddy or someone you could talk to when you were doing the examination?
Yeah, I have study buddy in F5, not in F6. So I
Mm.
watch alone all the time.
Right. And would you recommend for a student to try and
Yeah,
find a
I
study
would,
buddy?
I would recommend to have a study buddy.
Cool. And where did you find your study buddy that sort of helped you out with other exams?
I find ACC community, they are very much helpful. Yeah. Yeah. I
Nice.
find this community from Facebook, from Instagram.
Yes. Oh, nice. Well, I'll put that link for the community in the description below. And basically, it's you log in, you say, I'm doing the tax exam, and then lots of students from around the world who are also doing the tax exam have a chat box on there, and you can interact and chat and talk about how difficult it is, how's the revision going, and all those long days of studying, Tammy.
Difficult is not that, but I have less time, so no. I pass. Who knows? Pass is pass.
A pass is a pass. That is the right thing, isn't it? But do you have any other final bits of advice that would help out an ACCA student who maybe has the exam tomorrow or next week who is watching this video?
Do study text. Go through everything. Practice. Do practice. From captain till a BT, whatever you want, and do 1 to 2 mock, and then if you have time management problem, go for CBA practice platform. That's it. It's formula, it's formula for every passing subject.
Exactly. Exactly. I think I would also put emphasis on the CBE practice platform as well. Try to do as many questions as you can, getting used to the spreadsheet and the the document format as well. And I think you'll be well on the way to passing.
Yeah,
Easy, easy peasy, I'm sure, on there. But but I must say, thank you very much, Tammy, for today, for sharing your insights. And it's so nice to see someone who watches the videos online now come onto the channel to help others out as well. So that is honestly absolutely fantastic. So thank you very much for it today. And if anyone has any questions for myself and Tammy, leave us a comment at the bottom where you can also subscribe so you get access to all the free resources and you don't miss any other videos, because we do videos on all 13 exams to help you through all the way. And be sure to, of course, give the video a massive like so that more ACCA students can see the videos and it will get spread out to more and more people on there. But as I said, any final words, Tammy? Thank you so much again.
thank you. Finals?
Yeah, any final words or anything else that
Good luck to your exam and believe in yourself. You can do it. Don't be scared. FA is so much easy paper and skills level, so you can do it. And go, you did well, so don't be scared.
fantastic. Oh, I really appreciate it again. And if you follow these tips, it will be the difference in getting the 50 plus to get you that pass and over the line as well. But as always, on that bombshell, we'll see you next time. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.